Hello, children. I hope you all must be doing very well. We all know our world is very beautiful and full of many wonders. Chapter number 6 from Rainbow Term 1 book is about a curiosity of a child who is surprised and wants to know some answer of his questions about the nature in the form of a poem. And the title of the poem is I Wonder Why. But first, let's have a look at some new words introduced in this chapter. Bit. Bit means small piece, part or quantity of something. Part of speech is noun. Would you like to have a bit of chocolate? Never. Never means not ever or not at any time. Part of a speech is adverb. It is never too late to learn new things. Rainbow. Rainbow is an arch of different colors seen in the sky after the rain. Part of a speech is noun. The sun came out and we saw a rainbow. Wind. Wind means movement of air. Part of a speech is noun. There was a strong wind. Wonder. Wonder means to feel or express great surprise at something or feel curious. Part of a speech is verb. I wonder how the birds fly. Now let's recite the poem.
I wonder why the grass is green and why the wind is never seen. Who taught the birds to build a nest and told the trees to take rest? Oh, when the moon is not quite round, where can the missing bit be found? Who lights the stars when they show out and makes the lightning flash about? Who paints the rainbow in the sky and hangs the fluffy clouds so high? Why it is so, do you suppose? That may tell me if he knows.
In this poem, the child is curious about the elements of nature. He is keen to seek answers of his questions like why the grass is green and why the wind is invisible. He also wants to know who teaches the birds to build the nest and how the trees take rest. As he looks up into the sky, he wants to know why the shape of the moon is never the same and wonders what happens to the missing parts when the moon is half or crescent shaped. He is also curious to know who lights the stars and how the lightning flash about. The child is curious to know who colors the rainbow and puts the clouds high in the sky. At the end, he shows his eagerness to know all the answers from his father if he knows. This poem has depicted the elements of nature very nicely. The poet wants us to realize that the nature is awesome and wonderful. We should appreciate its importance and beauty. Now students, draw any 3 elements of nature which you like the most on A4 size sheet and repeat this affirmation. I love and appreciate the beauty of nature. Now students, it's time to say bye and take very good care of yourself.